Look at this. Alright. Alright. Big 5. Oh, they have guns and ammo in here.
You don't want to get something happens when they start shooting out this way.
Where's KSPY at? Damn, that tire's off. Front tire's completely off. Looks like there's a battery, a car battery, right next to the passenger rear door. That little green thing is a car battery. I'm also seeing some other packaged stuff. I'm not sure what it is. So when I started, I was in the back of Vaughn's in a neighborhood just behind Vaughn's over here, behind the shopping center. They were looking for the suspects that did this.
Hey, don't care if you film, just do it from back there. There's a dude that's possibly armed. And we're about to send the dog out. No. Gabe, that's where the guy's supposed to be at. Do it from poinsettia.
Alright.
Charles. 1411 Charles, info from San Ray PD. Quad fires request CHP. To close the roadway northbound Seamus.
Gabe, turn that stuff off us. I'm not gonna have you lighting us up here.
What?
You need to turn those lights down.
Can't see. I think Officer Hernai said there's no law against white light, too. He told me that. I don't know if Hernai's with you. He can let you know. You don't care at all?
Well, there's no laws regarding white light in a public place, so.
You over there, Hernai? Hernai told me word for word that there's no law against white lights. When light cop was shining me with his bright ass light. Davidson's getting a complaint.
Hey, we're gonna be checking some houses. You're welcome to be here. I need the light off my guys, so all right.
You're Stradley?
Nope, Kosnick.
Kosnick?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for allowing me to be here.
Like I said, you're welcome to be here. I just need the light off the guys.
I was, you know, it's a bright light. I'm shining at the ground because I can't see shit.
Shine it at the ground.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
good
what
with
I'm doing.
I just don't want it on the guys as they're searching cities.
I haven't done that once, man.
Perfect. Good. Just making sure we're on the same page.
So now they're going into the house that I was directly in front of. Wow. Use the dumpster as a prop. Use the dumpster as a prop. Crazy.
This is what he did. He fucking got up on here and fucking shit it up.
You gotta be an agile dude to be able to pull that off. What they're saying is there's no hole in between this gate. They would have to jump over it. Nuts. So they would have to jump over this big gate. Dang, they got tools. They got tools right there. Okay, let's get it. Yeah, how the hell did they get in there? Wow. That'd be the first thing I would have took right there.